In the last class, we were discussing the various type of operators, especially the various arithmetic operators, and we just went through one topic, that is increment and decrement operators. To increment a value by 1 or to decrement a value by 1. So now we will learn it in detail. So increment and decrement operator. Increment operator means we use plus sign. So it can be written in either ways. It can either be written as plus m or m plus plus, but these are not the same. Similarly, minus m, it is decrement operator. It can be written like minus m or m minus minus. Again, these two are different, or it performs in two ways. So based on this, there are two types, that is pre-increment or post-increment. So the word pre and post, you know that pre-increment means before, post means after. So let's see what is the difference between the two. Plus is m is equivalent to m equals m plus 1. We have learned the shorthand uh, way of writing various operators. That is, earlier we learned, say, a equals a plus 5. How you can write that? A plus equals 5. This means that a equals a plus 5. Similarly, a plus equals b. If you write like this, that is equal to a equals a plus b. Like that, when you write plus m or m plus plus, that means m equals m plus 1. It is incremented by a value 1. Similarly, when you write minus m or m minus minus, it is equivalent to m equals m minus 1. It is decremented by a value of 1. Now, what is the difference between pre-decrement and post-decrement? Similarly, when we consider increment, there is pre-increment and post-increment. So, if plus plus comes before this variable, we say it is pre-increment. If it is after that variable name, we say it is post-increment. Now, let's see what is the difference between pre-increment and post-increment, or pre-decrement and post-decrement. A prefix operator first adds 1 to the operand and then the result is assigned to the variable on the left. On the other hand, a postfix operator first assigns the value and then increments the operator. So there are two things to do when we write, say, a equals plus b plus 1. If we write like this, first there are two things. First, b value need to be updated. B value need to be updated, and second thing, a needs to be calculated. There are two things to do. So in pre-increment, what is done is first b is updated and then a is calculated. But if it is a equals b plus 1, if we write like this, first this a is calculated. Okay, first the calculation is done and then only b value is updated. So that is the difference between pre and post. So here this is pre-increment and this is post-increment. So in post-increment, what will happen? The variable value is first used in evaluating the expression, then only the value is incremented. In pre-incremented, in the first step itself, the value is incremented and then only that value is used for calculation. Okay, so that's the difference. It will be, I think it will be more clear with the program. Okay, here you can see 5. Now the y value is plus m means 5 becomes 6 and y is evaluated as 6. Y is assigned the value 6. Okay. But if you write like this, m equals 5. So m plus plus means in post increment, first the value is directly used in the expression. So m is initially 5, so y is assigned 5 and then m is incremented to 6. So you can see that this is an example for pre-increment and this is an example for post-increment. And here you can see that in both cases m value became 6. Whether it is plus m or m plus plus, m incremented from 5 to 6. M equals m plus 1. But difference comes here. Here value of 5 is 6. Y is equal to 6 here. Both y and m are 6. Why? Because m is at first calculated to 6 and that 6 is assigned to y. Whereas in post increment, the 5 itself is assigned to y and then only m is incremented. So here y is 5. Then only m value is changed. Here first m is changed and that value is assigned to y. So hope this is clear. Let's check program. Here you can see that A and B value are given. So how the C will be evaluated? You can just check. A is equal to 10, B is equal to 5. So here what will happen? A minus minus means it is post decrement. So first A value is used as such, that is 10. 10 plus 5, that is 15. So now here what will happen? C is assigned the value 15. Is it right? A minus minus. So decrementing is done later only. So 10 is taken directly for calculation. 10 plus 5, that is 15. So when we print C value, this will be 15. And what about the second case? A value. After this expression, what will happen? 10 is decremented. So now A value is 9. It is decremented. Okay, so 15 and 9. Let's check the output. It is 15 and 9. Now let's check pre-decrement. That is, it is minus minus a. So now what will happen? At first, a is decremented. So 10 becomes 9. 9 plus 5. So this becomes 14. So when we print the value also, it is 14. But there is no change in the value of a because whether it is pre-decrement or post-decrement, 10 is a value is decreased from 10 to 9. So it will be 14 and 9. The output will be 14 and 9. Okay, so this is how the pre-increment and post-increment or pre-decrement and post-decrement operators operate. So now coming back to rules for plus plus and minus operators. So now you know how it works. Now let's check the rules. They are unary operators because when the operator is plus, you need two operands like a plus b. You need to add two numbers. Similarly, minus means a minus b. It need two operators. But here it needs only one operator. That's why we call it as a unary operator. Plus plus m. It need not be n. It, not like n plus plus m will not work. It is just plus plus m or plus plus n, which means that the particular value is incremented by 1. Second, postfix is used, whether it is increment or decrement. When postfix operator is used, what will happen? Expression is evaluated first and then variable is incremented. So that is the specialty. Whereas in prefix, what will happen? First, variable is incremented or decremented and then expression is evaluated using the new value of the variable. So these two points are very important. In postfix, first expression is evaluated and then variable is incremented. In prefix, first variable is incremented or decremented and then expression is evaluated. Thank you.